Hey gearheads, welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup truck. A name that takes us back to the golden era of American craftsmanship, now reborn with cutting-edge innovation, electric power, and unmistakable retro soul. The new 3100 isn't just a truck, it's a rolling time machine that blends classic design with modern performance in a way that'll make every car lover's heart race. The 2026 3100 revives the legendary pickup that defined the 1950s, but this isn't a simple throwback. Chevrolet has brought it into the future with an electric powertrain that delivers both raw power and whisper-quiet performance. Underneath that nostalgic body lies an all-electric setup producing around 480 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, giving it lightning-fast acceleration and towing strength that rivals the best in its class. Whether you're hauling gear or cruising through the city, this truck handles it all with effortless confidence. What instantly grabs your attention is the design, a perfect balance of old-school curves and modern detailing. The classic rounded fenders, chrome bumpers, and vintage Chevrolet badging are all there, but they're enhanced with LED headlights, aerodynamic lines, and a sleek modern grille that pays homage to the original 3100's charm. The truck bed is a masterful blend of heritage and innovation, featuring polished wooden panels combined with a lightweight aluminum frame. Inside, the 3100's cabin is a world of comfort and technology. Chevrolet has created a stunning interior that feels both luxurious and nostalgic. You'll find hand-stitched leather seats, a digital driver display, and a floating touchscreen infotainment system loaded with the latest connectivity features. Even though it's a modern EV, Chevy has retained the soul of the original pickup with retro-inspired gauges and chrome accents that remind you where it all began. The 3100 also delivers on practicality and performance. With an estimated range of over 350 miles per charge, it's ready for long road trips or everyday work. Chevy's Ultium battery platform allows for fast charging, giving you up to 80% battery in under 30 minutes. Add in advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras, and you've got a truck that's as smart as it is stunning. But what truly sets the 3100 apart is its spirit. It's a bridge between generations, the perfect blend of nostalgia and progress. Chevrolet didn't just rebuild a truck, they reignited a legacy. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 isn't trying to compete with anything else on the road, it's redefining what it means to be a pickup. So, if you're a fan of timeless design, futuristic engineering, and pure American muscle reborn for a new era, the 3100 vintage pickup is calling your name. This is Car Trend, bringing you the latest automotive legends and future classics. If you love this deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet 3100, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car content, and stay tuned, because the road ahead is looking electric.